ask for questions. I answer.
Well, step down.
Then I hand over to you.
Okay.
Then once I hand over to you.
That's a good one.
Na kunradhi mtazamaji kwa hitilafu hiyo, tutakuwa tunarudi wakati ambapo kutakuwa na sauti na picha kamili ili tuweze kufuatilia kinachoendelea katika makao makuu ya UDA wanapojiandaa. Na mturudi kwao, nafahamishwa kwamba wamejiandaa na wako tayari. Na mturudi kwao tusikize wanayapi ya kutujuza wa Kenya. Naam.
So I hope everybody is ready. Thanks so much, ladies and gentlemen of the press. Good evening. Today we have had a big and a good day. We have been together since morning. In fact, I have really enjoyed being around you. You are wonderful people. You have made it possible for us to reach our message, even in the village. You are the people who have really helped us to mobilize our voters in these nominations. We will never forget you, and we always appreciate the role you play in the democratization of our country. Myself and this board, we have really worked very hard to make sure that the nominations we have carried today were credible, as we told our voters, were transparent and verifiable. And I think myself, as the chair of this board, I'm very proud of my members. I always cherish the moment I've worked with them, and I've realized that in this wonderful country of ours, we can do a lot of things if you work together. We have carried almost 120 constituencies nominations today, which have ended very well. We have carried all the gubernatorial nominations, as I told you in the morning, and they were really successful. If I were to rate ourselves, I think I could have given myself a mark rate of around 98 or 99%. But since there is nobody who sets and marks his examination, you are the people who can rate us. This is a wonderful party. We have done the best. We have dispensed our mandate. When this board was being formed by His Excellency the Deputy President, he was clear in whatever he wanted us to do. And our functions and aspirations of the party were clearly laid out. Today, I am a very proud man. We have worked above the board. We have not favored anybody. And I can tell you for sure that even if the cock crows 3 times, I won't cry. We have done everything possible to make our members proud. So far, our members and our officials on the ground are continuing with the tallying of the results, counting of the votes in all the constituencies, the wards, and the counties. We did our nominations. And sooner or later, we will start getting the results, and at the same time relaying the results to our voters. There were some hiccups, disturbances here and there, but they came about because it is the most popular party. There are some parties which were not even able to attract even 500 candidates, and they have been allowed for the last 40, 50 years. We are just only 1 year old, and we attracted almost 6,000 candidates. There are various constituencies we are going to repeat the elections because there was violence, but as a board we have come out clearly. if there was destructions, those candidates have to pay for those destructions. As UDA party, we are going to be different from the others. We cannot condone violence. If any property was destroyed, may it be in Kamukoji or Starehe, before we conduct those nominations, those candidates must pay for the destructions of those materials. As I told you in the morning, we continue carrying the nominations of the constituencies which were not done today, tomorrow, the others on 19th, and I tend to believe, because we are going to finish it on 19th, Kenyans will be proud of Kenyans will be really proud about the whole process. Thanks so much. May God bless you. May you continue supporting this party, and may we continue relating with one another.
Na mtazamaji, huyo ni Anthony Murima ambaye ni mwenyekiti wa bodi ya kitaifa ya uchaguzi ya UDA akisema kwamba maeneo